Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you a quick and easy way to clean up your messy data. That the data is well messed up and very unsafe to use. So looking at the professions here, we can have spaces and it won't be good for us to use our data in this manner. To clean up this messy data, what you just need to do is to type in the equal to proper. Then you also type in, because we want the proper form of the data and we also want to trim the data, you also type in trim. Then you select the data that you want to trim, close the bracket and close the entire bracket. Click on enter. Once you click on enter, we can see that the data has been worked on. So clearly this was not capitalized, but now we can see that yes, it has been capitalized. Drag it down or double tap on the arrow and all your data will be cleaned in a few seconds. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, follow and subscribe. Bye.